Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Tech Upskill channel. If you run a small business, you're probably spending way too much time doing the same things over and over. Things like sending quotes, reminding people to book, or manually replying to emails. But imagine this. What if your website could do those tasks for you? What if a customer could fill out a form and your site automatically sends them a quote, follows up if they don't respond, and even suggests extra services, all by itself? That's exactly what this playlist is about. I'll show you how to turn your WordPress website into a smart business assistant, one that works 24/7, saves you time, and helps you grow. And the best part, you won't need to write any code or pay for expensive tools like Zapier or MailChimp. We'll use affordable and even free plugins like FluentCRM and Fluent Forms to build everything right inside your site. Why I chose FluentCRM and Fluent Forms? Because even with the free versions, you can do a lot, like capturing leads, sending automated follow-ups, and managing your email marketing right from your WordPress dashboard. For example, Fluent CRM's annual license starts at just $77, and it gives you unlimited contacts and unlimited emails. Compare that to MailChimp, where pricing increases based on the number of subscribers. If you have 10,000 contacts, MailChimp could easily cost you around $1,000 per year just to send emails. And as your list grows, so do the costs, but not Fluent CRM. If you're ready to take full control of your email marketing and website automation, follow this series as we dive into mastering WordPress automation with Fluent CRM and Fluent Forms. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, this playlist will guide you step by step to unlock the full power of your website. This series is a hands-on learning journey made up of mini projects that solve real problems for service businesses. I already have 5 videos in production, and each one walks you through a complete setup, step by step. Here's a sneak peek at what we'll build. A smart quote request form that sends automatic follow-up emails. Lead tagging based on what people need so you can upsell later. Email sequences that guide new contacts and help turn them into customers. Automatic reminders for users who didn't finish booking. Bonus tools like referral programs and customer review requests. Everything is designed to be practical, not just pretty, and based on real business needs. And this is just the beginning. I'm open to your ideas, so if there's a system you want to build or a challenge you're facing, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and might even feature it in a future video. You can follow this playlist from start to finish or jump right into the tool or automation you need. Each video is its own mini project that solves a real-world problem. If you're ready to stop doing everything manually and start saving hours each week, this series is for you. Hit subscribe and let's start automating your business. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.